Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'd like to share a few tips on how to build a capsule wardrobe if you're petite. And let's start with the first tip, which is to go for high-waisted pants and skirts. They can help raise your waistline, elongate your body, and create the illusion of longer legs and taller frame. I often go for monochromatic outfits. In fact, wearing the same color from head to toe can create a streamlined look and make you appear taller. Other than that, it also helps me dress much faster since I don't have to spend time to match the clothes. Another way to add a few inches to your height and elongate your legs is to wear high heels. I also love adding accents to where my body naturally tapers. So here I've added a belt to show off my waist. Well-fitted clothes can help avoid looking overwhelmed by your clothes, and tailor-made clothing can help you look slimmer and taller. I spent a while searching for a perfect pair of pants made from natural fabric, and finally I decided to order a custom one from Dressart. To confirm the fit, I received a mock-up of my pants to try on at home, and the fit was nearly perfect. And I also received fabric swatches to choose from. And I hesitated between this gorgeous navy blue and classic black color, so finally I decided to go for black one. Choosing the right neckline is vital for petite women. If I'm wearing a blazer, I prefer to avoid crew neckline and go for a scoop neckline instead. This neckline is lower than a crew neck, adding length to the neck area instead of cutting it. V necklines are naturally flattering to many different body types, and petites are no exception. And this particular neckline gives the illusion of a long, lean neck. And the same goes for jewelry. If you choose a V-neck top, paired with a piece of jewelry that follows the V pattern. If you like buttons, it's better to go for small buttons, such as small polka dots or vertical lines. A nude shoe can give the illusion of extra length. It brings the eye upward. Always go for small bags. The key idea here is that a petite woman should carry bags proportional to their sizes. Jumpsuits are great if you're petite, and it's just one vertical line that creates a tall appearance. And for the same reasons, dresses are amazing, so here's some important aspects to look for when shopping for dresses. A-line is the perfect silhouette for a petite girl, because it draws attention to the waist and adds volume to the lower half. And an A-line with princess seams look especially flattering thanks to vertical lines. V-neck lines are naturally flattering to many different body types. And here is another piece I designed with Dressart. In fact, I ordered a custom dress that meets all my preferences, and I'm so happy I did it. Thanks to online service, you can order your dream clothes straight from your home, and I will leave you a link below in case you guys want to try this service. I always find that knee-length or shorter dresses look more flattering on me. If you feel more confident wearing a longer dress, that's absolutely fine too. Look for empire waist since elongated skirt make petite figure appear taller. And the main reason wrap dresses are so universally flattering to many body types is the built-in V-neck line. And for petite women, a wrap creates a figure flattering look. Hope you guys like these tips, and if you did, please like, subscribe and share, it will mean a lot to me. So thanks for watching and see you in the next one.